Hello everyone, I welcome you all back to my YouTube channel today. Today we are going to be cutting a blouse, but before then, please if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do so, subscribe. First of all, I'll mark out my total length, which is 23 plus 1 inch seam allowance. You might add 1.5 if you have enough fabric. So I'll be ruling that out in order to get my starting point. After which I'm done, I'll proceed to mark my chest point, which is 7 inches. Yours might be different. It depends on your size. After that, I will also mark out my bust point, my waistline, and those are the line I'll be placing all my measurements on. Guys, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, do it right now. Subscribe, just press that subscribe button. Let's grow together. So let's go back to work. After that, I'll proceed to mark my back measurements divided by 2, as we all know. Then I'll join the line to meet my chest line. Then proceed to mark out your armhole. If you have a curved ruler, you can use it. After that, I'll proceed to mark out my bust measurement divided by 4 plus 2.5 seam allowance. I added that allowance because I want my blouse to be a bit free. I don't want it to be tight at all. If you want yours to be smart, go ahead and add zipper allowance at the back side. Then take your normal body measurement. I took my hip measurement at the hip side, my hip divided by 4 plus 2.5 seam allowance. At that part of my blouse, I don't want it to be just straight, so I'll just give it a cuff shape like this. If you want yours to be straight, you can just leave it like that. I think it looks better like this, so it's your choice. For the back, just place your front parts like this. Don't forget, if you want it to be tight, add your zipper allowance at the back. Place it on each other like that and cut out the exact same shape. Moving forward, I'll mark out my neckline, which I will be working with a V neckline in this video. At that part, I marked out 1 inch inside. Then at the other part here, I'll be marking out 3 inch. Then I'm going to be joining the lines together. If you don't want a V shape like mine, you can also create a round neckline, which I'll be showing you in this video also. Mark out 3.5 for the width. Then for the depth, you can use 5 or 4.5. Then join the lines like this. Then at the back, I'll just come down by 1 inch because the back is not a low back. Before then, let's cut the front part first. And that's for the front. Then for the back, I'll just come down by 1 inch, as you can see. And I'm going to cut it out as well. For my slope area, I will come down by 3/4 of an inch at that spot to meet my neckline like that. Then I'm going to cut it. And we are done for the body. For the sleeve, because my fabric is not really much, so this is what I'm going to be doing. Fold it into 4 like this. Then mark out whatever is giving you at that extreme end, then that is what you're going to be taking all through. If that extreme end is 20, 20 is what you're going to be taking all through. But because own my fabric is not enough, that is why I will just mark a line to join the extreme end. But if you have excess fabric, just rule out the exact measurement from that upper part to the extreme end or your desired length. After I'm done with that, I will just rule out my armhole area like this. I'll be working with 9 inches for the armhole. If yours is more than that, just do justice to it. And that is it for the sleeve. I'll cut out about 1.5 inch in order to use it at that extreme end for the sleeve. For the neck as well, I'll cut out about 4 inches in order to pipe the neck area. And that is all for the cutting tutorial. If you find my video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like and share.